I want to be an influencer. How do you become an influencer? How do you do it? How can you even get started? The answer is just start. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Jazaenicole here and I'm back with another video. Hey. If you are new, welcome. What's poppin'? Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. And hopefully if you are not subscribed that you will hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell. So let's get into what this video is all about. I want to be an influencer. How do you become an influencer? How do you do it? How can you even get started? The answer is just start. So today's video is how you can become a fashion influencer or lifestyle influencer or just an influencer in general, and just like my tips on how to start, and if you're starting from the bottom, like my tips on how you can get started. I'm here to give you all of the details, so let's get into it. I'm a fashion and lifestyle influencer and I love to create content. I love fashion, it's always been my passion. But I just recently started getting back into it. I was in school for fashion marketing and business management. I used to do a lot of fashion posts. I did have a blog for a long time as well. And then all of a sudden I didn't want to do it anymore for some reason. I don't know, just my life. And then I was like trying to run from it, but it's just like every time that I would run, I would come back to like fashion. So I just decided, all right, I'm gonna just do what I have to do and just get back into the game. It sucks because now it's so many influencers out there that the competition is very, very high. But that doesn't mean that we still can't become an influencer. Yes, the competition is high, but that just means that we are gonna have to bring our game. So how do you get started or how do you become one? You literally just start. I mean, it's simple, you just start. First of all, you need an Instagram or a blog. I don't know how blogs do these days. I know some people say that their blogs do very, very good. I don't really know much about blogs, so I'm not gonna really talk too much on it. So you might wanna do your own research on that. But as far as starting an Instagram or YouTube, you wanna come up with a name. Are you branding yourself? Are you branding a name? Or whatever it is, you gotta start with a YouTube and an Instagram. If you just wanna do Instagram, you can do that, or just YouTube, you can do that. So my tips is getting that and start posting pictures. I mean, you have to post stuff. You gotta post your fashion or your lifestyle posts so that people know, okay, what is this page about? If you are all over the place like I was, it's gonna be very confusing and you're gonna get people that like all those different things. And this is a tip that I'm gonna keep telling people that I've learned because that was me. Make sure you have a niche and make sure that you know exactly what you're targeting. If you are all over the place, it just makes it very, very hard for you to get engagement, likes, comments, and all of that. Because just for instance, say you're doing, say you don't even know what you're doing. You're just doing like posts on books. You're doing posts on food, and then you're doing posts on, I don't know, like fashion and hair. Okay, some people do that, and they have, they do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. But here's the thing. If you are just doing random things, like literally random things that doesn't pertain to those things, what happens is you're gonna get followers that like those certain things, and then you're gonna get followers that like these certain things. So those two followers that you have, they like certain things that you post. If you post a fashion video, they're not gonna like that because that's not what they're into. And then if you post something about food and that person only followed you for fashion, they're not gonna like that picture on the food because they only like your fashion. So that's where it gets really tricky because we can post stuff and then you're not getting like really a lot of likes because half of your followers like your beauty content and then the other half only likes your fashion. So you're gonna get 50-50. So on your post, you're only gonna get 50 people that likes this. And then on your other stuff, you're gonna only get those 50 people. So my tip is really figuring out what are you gonna do on your Instagram? What kind of influence are you gonna be? influencing people with. I feel that I should have been started doing that a long time ago, but the way that I was doing it was great. But at the same time, if I would have kept up with it, I bet I would have had like way more followers now, but it's all right. You gotta start from the bottom. I'm here with y'all. We're starting from the bottom. I only have 2,000 people on my Instagram, and I seem like I've hit a curve where I was like not growing at all. But I feel that now that I'm really taking it serious and that I'm about to put in the work, I just got a new lens. I'm gonna start taking pictures other places and just getting my creative juices flowing, because another thing is I would suggest making sure that you stay true to yourself, because when you stay true to yourself, people are gonna follow you, people are gonna like it, people are going to just be so influenced by you because of what you bring to the table. Do not try to be like someone else. I've tried to do that so many times and I failed. And I feel like that's why my page wasn't growing. And it wasn't necessarily like me trying to be like someone, but it was in a sense of I felt like people liked this kind of content so much that I had to create that type of aesthetic when that doesn't really go with who I am. I'm a very bubbly, outgoing, and straightforward person. And I'm not trying to bash anyone that likes these things, because I follow a lot of people that have these aesthetics, but it's just not for me. Like the very minimalistic aesthetics, or just like the urban type of aesthetic, or the colored things. Like, I tried it and it just didn't work for me, and it just doesn't go with me. And you have to understand that there's certain things that are not gonna fit you, and people can sense it, and it's like they can't sense it like, oh, you're copying, but they can sense that it just doesn't flow. And I felt like at that time I was trying so hard to push it, when that wasn't what was working for me. So now I'm back to square one, where I am literally going to do the content that I feel best suits me. I love colorful stuff. I'm really like my fashion. There's no type of one thing for my fashion. I don't wear just white. I don't wear just tan. I don't wear just blue. Like, I literally dress the way that I feel when I wake up. So that's the thing. You want to be true to yourself, and you want to make sure that you are doing what fits you. And then my next thing is making sure that you tag your clothes. So whatever you wear or whatever you have on, tag the companies of what you're wearing so that they can see it and they might be interested. Now here's the thing, if you are starting out and you only have 1,000 followers, it doesn't matter, still tag them. They are looking for people that have at least 10,000 or more for them to even send you free clothes and things like that. Some companies might send you some stuff for free, just depends on the company. But most higher companies that's higher up, they want to make sure that you have a following and that you're getting engagement and likes. And so the best thing to do is right now, becoming an influencer and starting at the bottom, is working on your feed. That is literally the main thing, is working on your content, working on your quality, and working on storytelling, because you want to storytell, you want to tell a story when you are posting your pictures so that people are interested. And there's a word that they use now, I think, for the images where you keep swiping over. I can't think of the word right now, but if you know the word, comment down below. It's like you swipe and you do multiple pictures and in one post. Those right there will definitely bring up your engagement. So I really suggest doing those. So like if you're doing fashion influencing, you want to make sure that you have some different angles, maybe bloopers, something like that, or close-ups of your clothes and the material, however you want to do it, but make sure you have like at least more than 2 photos, because I feel that since I started doing those swipe over images, my engagement has been a lot better. And now I know when I need to be posting. So that's my next thing. Sorry, you guys. I'm like, because I just want to help you guys, and I want to like help the people that are like me right now, where we're starting out and we're trying to grow. Because I get a lot of engagement on my stories. I get lots of views on my stories than I do on my feed. So that's something that I need to work on. But when you are creating your Instagram, there's a new thing now that they have. It's called digital creator. You may have seen that on some of the people that you follow and their content, and it says digital creator. Before it was like public figure, blogger. There's all different ones, but the digital creator one is the best one for right now, I feel, because you're able to see your analytics, and they have this thing called a creator studio that links to your Instagram. And what it does is you can post on there from your laptop. I don't know if you can do it on your phone. I'm not sure. Don't get me on this one. I don't know. But I know I go on my computer, on my MacBook, I log into the creator studio, and then from there what I do is I can create stories. I can schedule my posts. I can upload my IGTV on there as well. And then I can see when my followers are online and on Instagram, so that I know what times do I need to be posting and the days and all of that. So that will be very, very helpful for you, so that you can know what your viewers are liking, what your viewers are engaging in. So then that means you can go ahead and start posting more content like that, so that you can grow. What I started doing was I screenshotted my impressions, my views, my likes, and my engagement and everything like that, so that I can come back and show you guys when my followers start going up what I actually implemented to see if it works. I'm on trial right now on working on some things so that I can help you guys to grow your Instagram, because I'm trying to grow just as well as you are. The best thing to do is follow someone that is in the same niche as you and see what they're doing. That does not mean copy, just see what they're doing and how their engagement is and what they say in their captions, so you can get a full idea of what you should be doing, and giving you an idea of how you should be posting, like certain things that will make people engage. And the best thing to do is just have faith, believe and trust in yourself, and you can do it. Like, we can grow, you can be an influencer. It might take a little bit longer, but just know that through the struggle, it really builds character, and you have a story to tell behind it, instead of being that one that just blew up and that was it. But you actually put hard work and time into your Instagram. So that right there is gonna help you in the long run. So don't give up. Trust me, we're all there, and we are all trying to grow, and we're gonna get there. Just have faith in yourself, and I have faith in you that you're able to do it as well. If you liked this video and you felt that this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, comment, let me know like where you're at in your Instagram and like what you've been struggling with. I would love to chat it up in the comments. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe, and also follow me on my social media at Jazaenicole. Everything is gonna be listed in the description below. Don't forget to check out the description. I have a lot of stuff linked there as far as like my equipment, my cameras that I use and things like that. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and until next time, it's Jazaenicole signing out, your favorite fashion influencer, your entrepreneur, your lifestyle influencer, signing out. Peace out. Ciao.